So a 13-year-old boy is among 6 people booked to appear in the Port Antonia Parish Court on Thursday on gun and ammunition charges. They were all arrested in 2 separate incidents in the past couple of days. The first one was on Saturday, and I'm told that the police, who were acting on intelligence, searched a building at Bridge Street in Port Antonia, where they found 2 12-gauge cartridges in a house occupied by a man and a woman. So they were arrested. In the second incident, that happened on Monday, and the police found a .38 revolver with 9 live rounds at a house in Chili Lane or Folly Road. And we're told that that's where the 13-year-old was caught. Superintendent Dwayne Ellington, who is the commanding officer for Portland, says we're going all out to contain crime in the parish. I certainly hope that he was just caught in the wrong place at the wrong time, because it says they were in the house where they found the firearm and ammunition. So I hope he's not involved in
That's true. And, you know, somebody who's just coming from Portland yesterday, remember that Portland has a distinction of being the safest parish in the country.
Could be the most beautiful one too.
And it is absolutely beautiful.
It is a beautiful
It really
parish. So,
is.
again, I hope this young man was just happened to be in the wrong place and the wrong time, and we will hear that things have straightened out and he will move on, because you really don't understand why a 13-year-old would be with a gun and ammunition.
And the problem is many of them are using our young people to commit some crimes and carry the guns. So we need to fix that up and protect our young men. Moving to a more feel-good story, a positive story. Food for the Poor wants to build 100 houses with their May 12 5K run. And we're asking you all to come out, because they've built around 700 houses already for needy Jamaicans. And it's the 4th year of the run. We want you all to come out and support by going to www.foodforthepoorja.org. Donations can also be made via the site and at the Food for the Poor's headquarters in Spanish Town. As you can see the pictures there, they have built 700 houses and they want to build 100 more. In addition, every purchase of Rainforest Seafoods products with a Make a Difference sticker will result in $50 going to the Food for the Poor funds generated by the 5K to help putting more smiles on our beautiful Jamaican
Brilliant
faces.
story. Brilliant story. And we
Always
hope it
feels
works
good,
out.
doesn't it?
All right, so apparently there's an outbreak of diphtheria in Venezuela and Haiti, and it says that cases of the potentially deadly illness have turned up in Colombia and Brazil as well. So diphtheria is not something to play with. They said since the start of the outbreak, 1,602 suspected cases have been reported. 976 were confirmed, while 142 victims died before the disease could be confirmed. And it says several of the diphtheria cases reported in Brazil and Colombia, both countries that border Venezuela, are either suspected or confirmed to have originated in Venezuela. A 3-year-old Venezuelan was confirmed dead of diphtheria this year in Colombia's department of La Guajira on its eastern border with Venezuela.
And also, other news coming out of our Hot Topics this morning is that former U.S. Lady Barbara Bush has died. Bush served as the First Lady of the United States during the tenure of President George H.W. Bush from 89 to 93. But scanning the local newspapers...
She said, you know, that they said there she's only the 2nd woman to have had a husband and son as president of the United States. And there was another one who ran, Jeb. And you know, when they ask her about Jeb running for the United States, she says, I think we've had enough Bushes in the White House. And she said, I think if we go hold him, Carter.
I'm sure many may agree.
She actually supported him after that, but she kind of said, you know, well, enough is enough. Too much Bush.
She probably just knew. You know, sometimes you know your children and you know that he just wasn't going to win.
Yeah.
Maybe that's what it was. Real quick, I just want to say that the fire brigade has now received, 6 new emergency response vehicles valued at $385 million. That's important to know, because a lot of communities complain about one fire truck not working and only one for a large parish. So I want you all to know there are 6 new emergency response vehicles valued at $385 million
Which is good
given to the fleet. So that's good news.
Stuff. Time for some birthdays, folks. Happy birthday to Melissa Campbell. It's coming from your sister Yvette, your nephew Damani, and the Roberts family. So, Melissa, have a great day today. Happy birthday also to Lenny, it says. Wishing you God's richest blessings on this year's special day. May you live to see many more from your girlfriend Talia. Well, there you go. So, happy birthday there. Another one says, happy birthday to Janet Radcliffe. They call her Sheila. So, I'm not certain if you want me to say Janet or Sheila, but Janet Radcliffe, who they call Sheila, happy birthday. It's coming from your niece, Stacy. And happy 8th birthday to Jazara Boucher. It's from Mommy, Shanique, and the rest of the family and friends. They say they love you. Here is Jazara right here. Jazara, a bossy pose. I hope you have a great day today, Jazaria. Where is Jazaria? We soon see Jazaria. Jazaria, don't worry. You soon see a picture.
King of the birthday.
Sometime today you are going to see it because it will get dark soon. There you go, Jazaria. Have a great day and many, many happy returns. And I cannot leave out the great, outstanding, fantastic, and wonderful brethren of mine, Simon Crosskill.
It's his birthday today?
It's his birthday today.
Yeah, I woke up and thought about him this morning. Very strange. I don't know. I was just
so
like,
why you just wake up and you start thinking?
No, I was just like, how's Simon? I haven't talked to him in a while.
So you just wake up and you start thinking about
When I wake up.
You think about me?
Very rare, sorry.
So, brethren, you know what? I love you like crazy because he is my bona fide brother. Actually, a little bit closer to me than some of my brothers. But enough love, brethren. And happy
And he's
birthday.
doing okay?
He's doing all right. He's
excellent,
fine.
excellent.
And you could hear him if you want. Cantankerous as well. But that's my brethren. And,
he's on air, doing good things on air.
Well, him just
him in the morning.
Him just doing plenty things out here. I don't know if it's good, but he's always good. I think he's brilliant. So, Bridget, happy birthday today and many, many happy returns.
You know, I have to just quickly say a happy birthday. Oh, they're gone? Okay.
Because our hearts tell us something.